Good morning, Internet. Good morning, online viewers. Good morning, subscribers. Welcome again to this short video. I am Kinara Pete. Those who have subscribed to this channel, thank you. Those who have not, it's your chance to subscribe to this channel and comment, guys. Today we are in the inner harbor. I intend to showcase the sailboats here today. The sailboats is my target. This is a docking station here for water taxi. I don't see any right now on site. I don't see any on site, but I see huge military ships in the background. Docking station here for the water taxi, but my main intention today was to showcase the sailboats here. These sailboats are very quiet whenever they sail because they are wind propelled. This one is here. There's one here docking. There's one docked right here. Some people boarding over there. Very quiet sailboats here. Let's get close. This is the Atlantic Ocean water. Atlantic Ocean water, guys, in the background. And like I said, there's a big, huge sailboat over there as well on the other side. But these ones are much closer to me. So, Virginia. One of them is christened Virginia. That seems to be the name or the label under which it's operating. Seems to be some young kids here that are ready to sail with a small white boat here. There's another one in front here that is being prepared as well. But this is a beautiful picture here of sailboats that you can see. Seems like there's some lesson going on here with the kids being prepared. There's a sign right here that says, "In recognition to the generosity of Stuart Woolman, with gratitude to his commitment and support of Living Classroom Foundation since 1985. There is a school around here called Living Classrooms. I believe this is where the students are from. Probably today they're having a class here for sailing, you know, how to sail. It would be interesting to see one of these boats sailing, but it looks like for now they just docked, and and they're not ready to sail yet. This is the block for the Living Classroom School. Oh, it's a museum here. I think it says Frederick Douglass, Isaac Myers Maritime, Living Classrooms Foundation. There's a little restaurant out here. But more important, we want to see what this sign says. It says Frederick Douglass came to Fells Point in 1826 when he was 8 years old. At the age of 20, he ran away to claim his freedom. Along with being an orator and a writer, Douglass became known as a fierce advocate of education as the key to equality. This is Fells Point area, guys, where I am right now, and taking you through. Isaac Myers was born free in Baltimore in 1835. He, along with 14 other influential African Americans, founded the Chesapeake Marine Railway and Dry Dock Company, the first black-owned and operated shipyard in the United States. There you go, guys. That is what is there. A little bit of this. All right, here is water taxi. Water taxi just docked. Water taxi just docked here. Waiting for anybody who is ready to board. At this point, it's a water taxi, guys. Alright, we're gonna end this video with the docking there of the water taxi in the Fells Point area of Harbor East. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you, internet. Thank you, online viewers. Subscribe, comments, and have a lovely day. Ciao.